Happy Ganesh Chathurthi. Today we are making Cashew Modak. Blend 4 cups of cashews on pulse mold so that it does not release any oil. Sieve it and transfer the bigger parts again to a blender. Sieve it. Continue this process till you are done with all the cashews. To a pan, add 1 cup of sugar and half cup of water. Dissolve a few strands of saffron in some milk. Add a teaspoon of cardamom powder and then the dissolved saffron and milk mixture. When the sugar syrup reaches this consistency, add the cashew powder. Keep stirring.
Om Gan Ganpate Namo Namah Shri Siddhi Vinayak Namo Namah Ashtavinayak Namo Namah Ganpati Bappa Moria Te Mangal Murti Moria.
Chop and grind some copra or use desiccated coconut powder. Roast around 2 cups of makhana and blend it. Add half a cup foxnut powder and stir thoroughly. Now add in half a cup of copra powder. Our tip is to use the foxnut powder and the desiccated coconut to adjust the consistency of the cashew dough. Add a teaspoon of ghee.
Om Gan Ganpate Namo Namah Shri Siddhi Vinayak Namo Namah Ashtavinayak Namo Namah.
Grease the modak mold. For plain modaks, you can close the mold and push the dough like this. Press well and unmould. Transfer to a tray. For decorated modaks, you can keep the mold open and press some rose petals and saffron at the sides. Add some dough to the open mold. Close the mold and press. Unmold and transfer these decorated cashew modaks to the tray. Happy Ganesh Chathurthi. Thank you for watching Savarchi Bawarchi. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon.